Hey guys, welcome back to Little Owl. Today we will be making some new slime. I got this really pretty glue and I got this magical activator. So I guess it's just supposed to activate it right away. So let's pour in this beautiful blue with sparkles and it's glue. Okay, that should be enough. Done. Okay. Let's just cut that off. Okay, that's good enough. Now, that looks like it has a lot of sparkles in it. Okay, now let's add some of this magical activator. I'm going to put it in the lid first. It's going to take forever. And almost there. Why isn't this coming out? Okay. Just gonna pour it in, I guess.
Was it like a glue texture?
I guess.
Okay, see what happens.
Okay, I'm actually not sure if that's activator anymore. Oh, wait, look, it is. Okay. Let me read it.
So what's happening?
So it's activating and it looks really blue and it's really nice. I think I'm gonna call this the ocean or the sea or something. I think we need a little bit more activator. So I read that they put glue in here and activator. So yeah. I'm actually not sure anymore now. Probably they don't. Okay, whatever. So yeah. We're just activating it.
It's turning into a slime pretty well.
Yeah.
So all you need is a glue and this activator and you have slime, correct?
Yep.
Okay, can you pick it up with your fingers? Or is it really sticky and slimy?
It's really sticky and slimy.
Okay, let's add some eye solution.
Okay. Okay.
So what are you adding?
This Nickelodeon slime activator.
All right, let's see if it makes a difference.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that should be enough. My hand is all messy. Okay.
Did it make a difference?
Yeah, it's getting off my hand now a little.
Mm-hmm.
It looks really bad, though. I like the color, but...
But it sticks to your fingers still?
Yeah. Okay.
So what do you think went wrong with this slime?
I think that it's this activator.
Okay.
Right there.
So magical liquid is not so magical, or what?
No, it isn't.
It's supposed to replace baking soda and contact solution. What do you think? Is it better with baking soda and contact solution? I mean,
yeah.
It's turning out pretty good though, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Or it's still a little slimy?
It's really slimy.
Okay. So we'll stick to what we know, which is baking soda and eye solution, right?
I think I overactivated it off camera.
Okay.
So, well, this is the slime, and it's really pretty.
It looks pretty, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
All right, so back to the baking soda and contact solution.
Okay, so I think that this Nickelodeon slime helped, but this slime, or I mean, not the Nickelodeon slime, the Nickelodeon activator.
The magical
helped.
liquid is,
And
yeah,
the magical liquid
keeps it a little too slimy.
keeps it a little bit too slimy.
All right.
But yeah, now it's really good. Now I actually like it.
Yeah, it's actually turned out pretty good. With the help of what? Show it to me, please. What did you use to help it? It's Slime Activator by Nickelodeon. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Now it's pretty good.
Yeah, now it's really good. So yeah, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.